What's up, everybody? Welcome to a new episode of High Altitude Motorsports. Thank you guys so much for being a part of the fam. You guys are awesome. We are on our way to Bandimere Speedway in the good old Mclaren. Gonna do a little bit of quarter-mile drag racing tonight. Curious to see what kind of times it can bring. Kind of in my head, I'm thinking it's gonna be between the 12s and 11s. I don't know how hard I'm gonna launch it, so should be a fun night, and we'll see you guys there. Alright guys, so we just went through tech and they got approved. So unfortunately they're playing music outside, so I probably can't do too much vlogging outside, just in the car. But I guess we're gonna go make my first run. I got my sweet helmet right here, and I got my GoPro outside, so you guys will get a little footage. I got one on the back, so maybe we can catch some flames. Probably not, because that's more downshifting. So yeah, I haven't driven a quarter-mile track in a really long time, so got to get the shake the dust off a little bit. So we'll see what happens. Here we go. Holy crap, guys, I just did my first run. Bad reaction, bad launch. I kind of wanted it to not be like a super hard launch, but guys, we ran an 11.359 in the quarter mile at 126 miles per hour. And if you guys aren't familiar, this track is over 5,000 feet of elevation. So at sea level, I'm not sure how much it would contribute at sea level, but I'm assuming it would run for sure 10s, because 0.359 of a second, I guarantee you at sea level we're running 10s, which is just unbelievable. So I'm gonna run this second one. You guys will see in the GoPro footage, the last one I was on the left side of the track. This time I'm gonna try to be on the right side. And try to get some good footage of that, and then I can also put in the GoPro on the back bumper and see if we can get any shots from there. That should be pretty interesting. So I'm hoping if I get a good launch and good shifting that maybe we can get like almost a 10 tonight. I don't really know. We're gonna find out. I'm just gonna kind of stay my course and try to see if we can stay in the right lane, because I like the right lane more. So here's what the track looks like, and it's pretty cool because, well, you can't see it right now, but on this side there's mountains, and then this side's just kind of, you know, suburbia. But it's a pretty cool track. If you guys are in Colorado and have never been to Bandimere, you definitely need to come down. So I'm gonna throw my helmet on really quick and start racing. Alrighty guys, my last run was 11.104. We gotta shave 0.105 to be in 10 seconds, so we gotta figure out something. How are we gonna do this? Well, we're gonna run it, see what happens. Here we go. Guys, sorry it is a little bit dark. The track night went really good. The best time that I got was an 11.104. I'll put the time slips up in a picture right here of the 3 runs that I did. Unfortunately, on the last run, the launch control ended up failing when I was at the light. It just said unavailable. So I still ran it without it, so I got kind of a bad launch, and then it ended up saying clutch temperature too high and put me into neutral by the time I was pretty much through the track, which kind of sucks, and I was kind of a little stressed out about it because it just put my car in neutral and wasn't going to drive. So I parked it, let it sit for about 30 seconds, turned it off, let it sit for 30 seconds, turned it back on, went into drive, and then I let it sit for about 15 minutes, turned it back on, and it's running right now. There's no check engine lights. I kind of just have it in automatic mode, just taking it easy, but I had a ton of fun tonight. Just able to take this car out and get a couple runs in is awesome. But now I got to figure out how I'm going to shave that 0.105 of a second, because I got to get a 10.99 out of this thing now. I mean, that's like, seriously, I forget the terminology, 1,000th of a second or something like that. That's crazy. That's like literally like that. So maybe we'll take the passenger seat out, do something else, who knows. But yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. Also, don't forget to check out highaltitude.shop is our merchandise. We're also still running our promotional code COVID-19 to get 19% off. Also, we got the Rockform phone cases. All the stuff's in the link in the description, so make sure to go check that out. Also, if you guys did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like our videos. Leave a comment, and we'll see you guys in the next episode. Thank you guys so much for watching.